This is a 3-part garden update. The first part is the harvest on July 28th, some raspberries and a lot of blueberries. And the second part is filmed on August 4th. These raspberries looks really pollinated. The fruits looks really full. However, these ones over here doesn't look as pollinated. You can see by the deformed and incomplete fruits. And this is the harvest from August 4th. Just a few raspberries and lots of blueberries and an asparagus spear. The third part is from August 11th. Here are a few new asparagus sprouts. And I can't find any new sprouts from the surface. Here's the raspberries. Looks like the fruits are forming really well, at least on this cluster. And here's the harvest for August 11th. Not much more blueberries are going to form. And another good news is the lady slipper orchid is flowering. You can see this plant over here is sending out 3 flowers at once.